How to backup sticky notes on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to backup sticky notes on Windows. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, click on the Start menu, and after that, on this tab, you can simply search for sticky notes and click on it to open it. Now here, once you have opened the sticky notes, what you can do is you can just click on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the sticky notes. And here, if you're not signed in, you can simply sign in with your Microsoft account. And here, once you're signed in with your account, you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as Sync Now. So there you can just click on Sync Now to back up your notes, and after that, all your sticky notes will now be automatically synced and backed up to your Microsoft account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.